Cardigo bicycle, a bicycle that provides a fun way to get your daily dose of aerobic exercise while being outdoors. This exciting new Cardigo bicycle allows an upper body workout that does not exist with a traditional bicycle. The bicycle was invented in 1817, and then exactly 200 years later in 2017, the bicycle was reinvented in the form of the Cardigo. This is a moving statues of a man and woman, pass through each other daily, symbolizing tragic love story. 8-meter-tall moving steel sculpture, located in the seaside city of Batumi, Georgia, based on tragic love story of Ali and Nino, who were separated due to invasion of Soviet Russia. The love statue begins to move every day at 7 p.m., merging for a short embrace, before leaving each other behind. The Velowemir Aqueduct is a stunning work of architecture and engineering. Unlike other solutions for allowing vehicular traffic and waterborne traffic to pass over or under one another, engineers decided on a different approach, a water bridge. The Velowemir Aqueduct is a shallow 9.83 feet deep water bridge that allows for small boats and other shallow draft water vehicles to pass over the road safely and easily. An innovative waterfall swing where you won't get wet. Each valve operates according to a computerized sensor that calculates the rider's speed and angle, determining when to shut the water off, providing a window where a person can swing through without getting wet. The thrill of nearly getting soaked each time you make your way across could only bring unbeatable levels of joy. A construction company has created a new way to turn plastic waste into environmentally friendly housing. The portable machine which turns plastic waste into non-toxic plastic bricks, known as Replast blocks, converts all kinds of waste into an alternative building material. It can be used to build infrastructure and houses, without any insulation. The company envisions a future where communities can upcycle plastic waste immediately, turning it into a readily usable product that can benefit society and reduce the amount of plastic destroying ecosystems. This underground refrigerator keeps food cool without using electricity. It uses the constant temperature of the earth and cool groundwater to keep the temperature low enough to keep the food fresh. As compared to the regular fridge, this ground fridge has 20 times the larger volume. It remains constant at 10 to 12 degrees Celsius throughout the year. This is ideal to store fruit, vegetables, wine, and cheese. 3D pens are fun and useful tool for drawing three-dimensional objects. These clever gadgets extrude liquid plastic, which quickly cools and solidifies, effectively allowing you to draw in midair. It's a new way to visualize designs and create 3D art without wrangling with 3D modeling software. 3D pens have become much popular amongst designers, artists, and hobbyists. This company designed a parachute that helped people to fall from tall buildings and float safely to the ground. This method is actually safer and more reliable than a standard parachute. As construction of high-rise buildings was quickly expanding, scientists faced a challenge of developing an efficient evacuation system in case of emergencies. This company, along with the lead local research centers and aerospace companies, had worked for 8 years to develop this rescue system. This company developed these airbags, designed to protect hips. HipAir has been created to protect seniors from a hip fracture. The belt integrates a double airbag, which will inflate in less than an eye blink when the fall is detected. One of the best features is that it is very easy to use, and it is barely noticeable. It can be wear in any situation, in your house, for a walk, or in your garden. It allows 100% mobility and freedom of movements.